Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello students, my name is Sanjay Jain. We are studying pair of linear equations in two variables, right? Till now, we have the basic understanding of the topic. Also, we know how to solve this topic graphically, right? Now, we will focus on solving these equations algebraically. And we have got various methods like substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, and we have specific methods of some special kind of questions. Okay, so we will discuss these methods one by one. What I'll do is I'll take some examples and discuss the method with the example, okay, so that it is very clear to you. Solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. So I'll give you the idea of substitution method in this question. First equation is 7x minus 15y equal to 2, x plus 2y equal to 3. Okay, so substitution method means that we will substitute value of one variable in terms of other variable, right? For example, let us say x plus 2y is equal to 3. So what can I say about x? X is equal to 3 minus 2y. So what I can do is I can substitute value of x, which is 3 minus 2y, in this equation, right? And what will be the benefit of this substitution? That this equation then will become equation in one variable only. Once you put x equal to 3 minus 2y, let us put it, and then we'll see 7 into 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. So now 21 minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. So we can say minus 29y is equal to minus 19, hence y is equal to 19 by 29. Okay, so by putting x equal to 3 minus 2y, we converted this equation in two variables into equation in one variable only, which is easier to solve. Okay, what you can do is you can replace y with values in x also. What I mean to say is, what you can do is you can do 2y equal to 3 minus x and y equal to 3 minus x by 2. Okay, so now you can substitute y equal to 3 minus x by 2 in this equation, which will give you the value of x now, right? Because this equation will now be converted into equation in one variable, that is x, if I put y equal to 3 minus x by 2. So this is about the method of substitution. Once you get value of one variable, now you can put this variable, this value, in any of these equations and obtain the value of x. So let us put this y equal to 19 by 29 in this equation, equation number 2. Putting y equal to 19 by 29 in equation 2, x plus 2 into 19 by 29 is equal to 3. So x plus 38 by 29 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 38 by 29, okay, which is 87 minus 38, and it is divided by 29. And what is 87 minus 38? 87 minus 40 would be 47, right? Now you'll have to add 2, so 49. It is 49 by 29. You can simply subtract these, or what you can do is you can consider, you can think in your mind that 38 is nothing but 40 minus 2, right? And if you subtract 40 from it and then add 2, you'll arrive at the same result, which is 49. Okay, so x is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. This is what I obtained using the method of substitution. Okay, so in method of substitution, what we are supposed to do, we will write one variable in terms of another variable using any one of the given equations. Okay, and once you obtain one variable in terms of another variable, then you put the value so obtained in other equation, which will convert that equation into one variable equation. Right? This is equation. So you will get one variable equation, hence it will give you one of the variables which you can put in the second equation, to obtain the second one, to obtain the second variable. Okay, this is how you will solve using the substitution method. Now once you put these equations, in this equation you got y equal to 19 by 29. In some of the equations there can be three possibilities. That one kind of possibility is that you got y equal to 19 by 29 or any other specific value, right? Another possibility is that you get something like this, 5 equal to 5, that you get no variable. Okay, once you substitute a variable, you will be left with no variable because all the variables will cancel out and you will get a result like this, 5 equal to 5. In such cases, we will say it is true for infinite number of values, or it is true for all the values of that variable. Okay, and this happens in case of coincident lines, which has got infinite number of solutions, right? There can be third situation where you get weird results. For example, -3 equal to 0. Okay, if you, by substituting one variable in terms of another, if you get certain weird results like this, which is not true in mathematics, right, then we will say that these equations have no solution. And this happens in case of parallel lines. Okay, so you take care of these points. Now we will move to this example. We have done this example in previous lectures also, but this time we will do it by method of substitution. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So let us assume, let us take present ages of Aftab and his daughter. Present age of Aftab as x years and present age of daughter as y years. Okay, now look at this situation. 7 years ago, 7 years ago, what was Aftab's age? It was x minus 7. What was his daughter's age? It was y minus 7. And what was the relation between the two? That 7 years ago Aftab's age was 7 times. So x minus 7 was 7 times y minus 7. So this will give me my first equation, which is x minus 7 equal to 7y minus 49. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7, which is minus 42. So this is my first equation. Another situation is 3 years from now. So 3 years from now, Aftab's age will be x plus 3 and the daughter's age will be y plus 3. And what will be the relation? I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So Aftab's age will be 3 times age of his daughter 3 years hence. Now this will give me my second equation, which is x minus 3y equal to 6. So this is my second equation. Now I'll use method of substitution this time. So let me replace x by 6 plus 3y. Okay, if I take this minus 3y on the right hand side, I can write x equal to 6 plus 3y. Now I'll substitute this value of x in this equation. Substituting x equal to 6 plus 3y in equation 1. So this is 6 plus 3y minus 7y. It is equal to minus 42. So this will give me 3y minus 7y is minus 4y. Minus 42 minus 6 is minus 48. So y is equal to 48 by 4, which is 12 years. Okay, minus sign will get cancelled. So y is equal to 12 years. So the present age of daughter is 12 years. Okay, now once I got one value of any of the variables, now I got y. So I can substitute, or I can put value of y as y equal to 12 in any of these equations. So let us put it in equation number 2. Putting y equal to 12 in equation 2. So x minus 3 into 12 is equal to 6. This will give me x minus 36 equal to 6. So x is equal to 42 and the unit is years. So the age of Aftab is 42 years. Now in this question, we solved this question, or we formed this equation in previous lectures also, but this is how you solve this question using the method of substitution. Okay. This is another question which you might have seen earlier, but we will solve this question using the method of substitution in this exercise. So Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for ₹9, and her friend purchased 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for ₹18. So we can make 2 equations considering or assuming let the cost of 1 pencil be ₹x and the cost of 1 eraser be ₹y. So which equation did we form? 2 pencils and 3 erasers for ₹9 will mean 2x plus 3y equal to 9. So this will give me my first equation. 4 pencils and 6 erasers will mean 4x plus 6y is equal to ₹18. Okay, this is my second equation. Now I need to solve these equations using the method of substitution. Okay, so what substitution you want to make is up to you. It is as per your convenience. You can use equation number 1 or equation number 2. You can substitute value of x or value of y. So let me take equation number 1 and substitute value of x. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 3y. It will give me x equal to 9 minus 3y divided by 2. I'll substitute this value, substitute x equal to 9 minus 3y by 2 in equation 2. I obtained this value from equation 1. Now I am substituting this in equation 2. Okay, so 4 into 9 minus 3y by 2 plus 6y equals 18. So this will give me 2 here. 18 minus 6y plus 6y is equal to 18. Okay, you notice what is happening? 18 is equal to 18. So I am not left with any variable here. Okay, which means this is true for any value of y or every value of y. It is true. and this happens in case of coincident lines where we have infinite number of solutions. So if you want me to find any particular value of x, we cannot find because we have got infinite number of solutions. Okay, it is true for any value of y. Okay, so for this question you will write your answer as infinite solutions. All right. Let us consider two rails are represented by these two equations. Okay. Will the rails cross each other? By crossing each other, it means intersecting lines. Will the lines be intersecting? So, this question we can answer based on our previous knowledge by comparing the coefficients ratios. 1 by 2 equals 2 by 4 is not equal to minus 4 by minus 12. So, we know that these lines are parallel lines and they will never cross each other. They will never cross each other. We can see by making the graph also, it will give us two parallel lines. Now, let us look at it from the substitution method point of view. First equation, x plus 2y is equal to 4. Second one is 2x plus 4y equal to 12. Okay. Now, from this one, if I take x equal to 4 minus 2y and substitute this in this equation. So, twice of 4 minus 2y plus 4y will be equal to 12. This is 8 minus 4y plus 4y equals 12. Now, this 4y will get cancelled here. 8 is equal to 12, which is not true, right? Why is it giving us the weird results? Because these lines are parallel and these lines do not have any intersecting point, any point of intersection or any common point. Okay, hence these equations will never give you a solution. Okay, so that means no solution. Hence, rails will never cross each other. Okay.